So again in this section we will see the next recent trends in data collection and analysis techniques. So we are going to see blockchain in that. So blockchain, as we know that it is a very important technology for business across the globe, and we can say that very simply the blockchain enables the untrusted parties to engage in the transitions. So blockchain holds promise for in many industry sectors like finance, healthcare and content delivery. So blockchain originally it is a block and chain, two words, and it is continuously growing list of records that are called as blocks, and they are linked and secured using cryptography. So each block typically contains the cryptographic hash of previous block, timestamp and the transaction data. So by design, the blockchain is inherently resistant to modification of data. It is an open distributed ledger that can record the transactions between two parties efficiently and in permanent way. So blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network, and once it is recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered. So blockchain is a shared, distributed, decentralized and tokenized ledger that removes the business friction by being independent of individual applications or participants. It allows the untrusted parties to exchange the commercial transactions. The technology holds the promise to change the industries. A practical approach to blockchain demands the clear understanding of business opportunity, capabilities and limitations of blockchain, trust architecture, and the necessary implementation skills. Blockchains are secure by design, and we can say that they are an example of distributed computing system with fault tolerance. Decentralized consciousness has therefore been achieved with blockchain, and this makes blockchains potentially suitable for recording of events and other management activities. Blockchain was actually invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 for the use in cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Then the next recent trend, that is event driven techs. So this trend is expected to bring some revolutionary changes to joint stakeholders in the business. Some business events, or we can say the combinations of events, constitute the business moments, the detected situation that calls for some specific business action. The most consequential business moments are those which have implications for multiple parties, such as separate applications, lines of business, or partners. Digital businesses rely on the ability to sense and be ready to exploit new digital business moments. Some business events or combinations of events constitute the detected situation which calls for some specific business action. And with the advent of AI, IoT, and other technologies, business events can be detected more quickly and analyzed in a greater detail. So, the enterprises should embrace event thinking as a part of digital business strategy. So, by 2020, event sourced real time situational awareness are required for 80% of digital business solutions. Then, the next recent trend is CARTA, which is related to security, that is continuous adaptive risk and trust assessment. It is even more complex security environment of digital businesses. It is mainly used for the digital businesses. The sophisticated tech strategy, which is known as CARTA, that is continuous adaptive risk and trust assessment, enables better decision making in adaptive responses for the digital business. So we can say that the basic premise of CARTA is trust. Digital business creates complex, evolving security environment. So the use of increasingly sophisticated tools increases the threat potential as well. CARTA allows for real-time risk and trust-based decision making with adaptive responses to security-enabled digital business. Traditional security techniques using ownership and control rather than trust will not work on digital world. The infrastructure won't ensure accurate detection and it can't protect against the perimeter insider attacks. So this requires embarrassing people-centric security and empowering the developers to take the responsibility for security measures. Integrating security into your DevOps efforts to deliver the continuous DevSecOps process and exploring deception technologies to catch the bad guys that have penetrated your network. They are two of the new techniques that should be explored to make Carta as a reality. So these are the recent trends that are used for data collection and analysis. Now in the next section we will see various big data visualization tools. Thank you.